Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Shay with Polka Dot Impression, and today we're going to do another pop out design. The other ones I did were birthday themed or fall themed, but today we're going to do more of a motivational, just a normal post, business, what have you. So we're going to start with Canva square post for Instagram, and you can post this on any social media platforms. I will Hi, I'm Shay and I own Polka Dot Impression, where we make DIY printables, planners, learning materials, you name it, I can probably design it and make it for you and teach you how to make it too. So let's go. Okay, so I just added a phone frame to my canvas and I'm going to add the picture. And I've already looked up these things, so I'm going to use this picture today and just go ahead and input it into the phone frame. Next, we're going to click on the image, go to edit, and go to magic grab. From here, you're just going to click on the elements in the picture that you want it to grab and wait for it to pop out the design. Essentially, it's just removing the background, but it's also popping out the images you want from the picture out of the picture. So we still have the background inside of the phone, and the person is no longer attached to that background. But I do want it attached because I want this part of his arm and jacket still inside of the phone frame, and I want this side of the image popping out. So in order to do that, we are going to click on the phone frame, go back to edit, magic grab, and reset the tools. We don't want it to pop out the image anymore. Once you do that, just exit out and click on the top photo and just crop it inside of the phone frame. There. So we have just what we want. This side of the image is in that side of the phone, and this side of the image has popped out. So now that we have that, I'm going to grab all the elements here and group them together and give it just a slight tilt. Okay, now we're going to add our post. What do we want to say? I already have what I want to say, so I'm just going to copy and paste what I have. Okay, and make that bigger. It says coffee in one hand, plans in the other. Here's to showing up even on the busiest days. Okay, I'm going to change the font to there. Make this a little bigger. And I'm going to add some effects to this words here. And I'm going to splice it and make the splice color a brown. Kind of almost the same as his jacket, but a little darker. Something like that. Okay. And then I'm going to offset, let's see, we're going to offset it just a tad. I like the thickness and the direction is fine. So we're good there. Then I'm going to add a few hashtags down here. And I also have those. I'm just going to copy and paste. Add some spacing. Change the font. And I'm going to add a lift effect behind it and increase the intensity. Make sure that is in the center. And our post is nearly done. The only thing I'm going to add is something in the background just to give it some more visual effect because it looks still a little boring to me. I don't know about y'all, but it looks a little boring. I'm going to add a line abstract background. And let me see if I can find the one that I used. Here we are. I'm just going to increase it to the size of the canvas, just like that. Move it to the back of the photo frame and change the color to this light beige looking color. And with the gradient background, it gives the abstract some different coloring too. So I do like that. I'm going to do a slight transparency on that. And there you go. We have our post. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you're new here, please give me a like and a comment down below what you liked about the tutorial and if you were able to make your own. Also, if you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back. We love having you here. And until next time, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.